boys and girls. As you know, last week we did adding and subtracting fractions. This week we'll be focusing on multiplying and dividing fractions. Multiplying and dividing fractions is a lot more easier and quicker than adding and subtracting. So let me give you problems. Sorry about that. We're gonna start off with multiplication. Do 3/4 times 2 over 8. When multiplying fractions, all you do is multiply straight across. So for this first one, our numerators, just do 3 times 2. That's gonna give me 6. And then 4 times 8, that's gonna give me 32. That's how easy multiplying fractions are. We're gonna do a couple more examples, just so you get the hang of it. Let's do 12 over 3 times 2 over 6. Once again, my numerators, I just multiply straight across. 12 times 2, it's gonna give me 24. And then 3 times 6, it's gonna give me 18. Now next week, we're gonna go into simplifying, but for right now, this is the correct answer, but we can't simplify this, but we're gonna focus on that next week. Let's do about one more problem. Now we're gonna do a division problem. All right, so I'm gonna have 4 over 6, sorry, divided by 3 over 6. Now with divided fractions, all you have to do is take your second fraction and flip it. So your denominator now becomes your numerator, and your numerator now becomes your denominator. Now after that, I can just add, times this. Instead of doing division, you just times it after you flip the second fraction. So our new new problem is 4 over 6 times 6 over 3. Now, as we just did, we did multiplication. 4 times 6 equals 24. And then 6 times 3 will equal 18. We're gonna do one more. Another example, we're gonna do 12 over 3, divided by 6 over 3. Once again, we're gonna flip our second fraction. Our numerator will now become our denominator, and our denominator will become our numerator. So this would turn out to be 3 over 6. So now our new problem will look like this: 12 over 3 times 3 over 6. So remember, once we flip this fraction, instead of dividing, we can just multiply it straight across and get the same answer. 12 times 3 will equal 36, and 3 times 6 will be 18. That's it for today, boys and girls. Catch you next week.